Welcome to the Daily Message. Hi, I'm Barb Dissler. I've been a parishioner here at St. Nicholas for about 35 years. I'm here to give you some information about the HeartLinks Grief Center. HeartLinks provides services for grieving children, individuals, and families regardless of their ability to pay. It's supported and co-located with Family Hospice at 5110 West Main Street, just a few blocks east of Althoff High School. It's a non-for-profit grief center that's fully funded through grants and private donations. HeartLinks began in 1997 by Diana Cuddyback, who provided counseling and peer support groups for a small group of grieving children and their caregivers. They currently offer monthly support groups on the first Monday of the month. The support groups are age-specific. They offer numerous social activities to help those grieving get through that difficult journey. They provide opportunities to help express feelings and emotions of grief. They sponsor special holiday events to assist those grieving to get through the holidays after their loss. They also hold summer grief camps and various other events, services, and activities throughout the year. Grief and loss of a loved one is very difficult, especially if you're a child or lose someone with your immediate family who provides daily interactions. Understanding grief of a child versus normal child behaviors is trying for caregivers, and additional support is helpful to understand these differences and provide assistance for the child struggling from their loss. HeartLinks Grief Support is special to me because I used their services in 2002 for my daughters and myself when my husband and their dad received a fatal cancer diagnosis. I'm not sure how I would have gotten through those first years after the loss without the counseling, support, and various activities provided by HeartLinks to my daughters and me to assist with our journey of grief. I have been supporting HeartLinks both individually and through the money to be given away here at St. Nicholas for many years because it's one of the few grief support services available for children, teens, young adults, young widows and widowers, and other caregivers. With the support of private funding, such as the money to be given away and other donations and grants, HeartLinks is now clinically directed and currently services over 1,000 individuals a year within 6 counties in the Metro East area. It has also expanded their services now to provide support for addiction and suicide loss. HeartLinks provides a place of hope, a place of safety, and helps grieving children learn that they are not alone. If you know anyone, any child or teen or young adult that is struggling from the loss of a parent, sibling, friend, or primary caregiver, I would highly recommend HeartLinks Grief Support. For more information about HeartLinks, you can call Diana Cuddyback at 618-277-1800 or go on the web at www.myheartlinks.com. Thank you for your support over the years, and God bless.